Merry Shiftmas. My name is Will. This is Sam. This is Casey. Sam's nose isn't glowing because he's grumpy and doesn't like Christmas. We have a Christmas-inspired Tabata for you. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 8 rounds. Should we get going? Yes, first move, pulling the sleigh. So I want you to get down and you're gonna be a reindeer forward and a reindeer back. So the idea is you work as hard as you can and go as fast as you can. How are my reindeers looking? This one's Rudolph, he's at the front of the sleigh. So keep your knees really close to the floor, almost like they're grazing the carpet. Okay, standing up. Move number 2, we get to the roof, then we climb the chimney. So you're gonna keep your chest up, your abs braced, and we're gonna climb down the chimney. You ready to go? Excellent. Right, so you're reaching nice and high, like you're Santa climbing down the chimney. I don't know if in 2018 you'd be allowed a strange man to climb down your chimney. Those things aren't really appropriate anymore. I just want you to climbing up the chimney, escaping. Right, reach nice and high. Lift the knees, keep the arms reaching, and relax. Right, number 3, snowball fight. Take a look. You're gonna pick up the snowball, throw it and turn. 20 seconds of work. Ready to go? Who's gonna win? So grab the snowball, throw it. Grab the snowball, throw it. You're gonna find one arm is good, one arm's not so good. That's okay, work on your agility. Casey's got that awesome throw. Drop, go, drop, go. Right, the last of our 4 moves, Christmas star, take a look. Small, big, like you're at the top of the tree. 20 seconds of work, good to go? Push, so Christmas star jumps, up and back, up and back. Lock it down nice and low. Start from the bottom and explode up to the top. Oh, my legs are burning and we're only 2 minutes in. Come on, you got 5 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. Oh, relax. Oh, it's snowing. See that, Sam? Can't win with this one. Right, pulling the sleigh, let's go. Forward and back. So you're gonna do all 4 moves once more through, but now you gotta punch it. Are you puffing, Casey? Yeah? That sleigh's getting heavy, yeah? It's all the gifts going to the little kids. Standing up. Right, climbing down the chimney. So, you gotta scramble fast, get in, get out, before the kiddies see you. Ready to go, 20 seconds, hit it. So think about keeping your chest nice and high. Reach as high as you can. Right up there, right up there. 10 more seconds, go. Can we pick up the pace? Come on, Rudolph. Come on, Rudolph. Awesome. A little bit of core training coming up. Wide squat, knees over toes. Chest stays up. Snowball fight. Ready, set, go. I'm getting punched in the face by my own snowball. Come on, you got 10 more seconds, 10 more seconds. Keep those legs nice and wide. Drop as low as you can in. Explode out of the ground. Whew. All right, we're almost there. 20 more seconds of work. I want to see your Christmas star. We good to go? Good to go? Merry Christmas, folks. Let's hit it. 20 seconds, non-stop star. Legs are burning. This is tough. Come on, come on. As big and as bright as you can be. And relax. Right, that's your Shiftmas Tabata done and dusted. Come on, carrot. Can we give Sam a carrot? We'll give Sam a carrot.